joining me for another shave, another head shave. We're back head shaving. Head shave number 6, I think it is. It's been a while. If you remember the bloodbath, yeah, what a silly mistake that was. Right, let's hope this one's blood free. What we're using. Get stuck into it straight away. Wickham's Soap Co. 1912 Club Cola. And this is my favourite scented Wickham soap of the ones that I've got. It's a fizzy scent. It really is a fizzy scent. And the notes in this are bergamot, neroli, vanilla and caramel. I do get a cola scent. I'm assuming that's the vanilla and the caramel. But I get a lemon, and it states on the website that it is a citrus punch. Maybe a lemon or lime. It's beautiful. Good performing soap, so I'm sticking with the British Artisan month. Right. The brush I'm using is my RazoRock Beehive. And it's my 28mm Plissoft knot, and I've already loaded the brush and I've whipped it up a bit in my Crackers bowl. Razor we're using is my safety razor, my go-to. It's the Leaf. It's the Leaf razor, and this was very kindly sent to me, gifted to me by Kim Gray. How you doing, Kim? I hope you're okay. I'm sending lots of hugs and kisses your way. Kim also sent me this t-shirt. I absolutely love this shirt. Kim's been ongoing treatment with chemotherapy, fighting cancer. It's a rare stomach cancer, and I'm going to get more into that on the next shave because I've got a cancer awareness shave coming up in September. So I'm planning for that, but I'll get more into it and on the next couple of shaves or so. But yes, the Leaf. And inside there is the Nacet. Stainless, or it will be when I've snapped it. And this is how you load it if you're new to this way of shaving and new to the Leaf. Fold it, still in its wrapper, pinch it until it clicks, and then you should be left with 2 pieces. Now we load it by loosening this little screw here until it drops, and that frees up the doors to load the blade. There's 3 different doors there. Right, I'm quiet because the granddaughter's asleep again. I've got to tone it down, and yeah. So how you doing, guys? You okay? How's the head shaves going? I know some of you have been asking, when your head shaving again, when your head shaving again? Well, it's now. I was hoping to do it yesterday, but granddaughter's been a bit poorly, so right, I'm going to load the bottom segment first. So you just load the blade on top of the little brackets there on the sides, and it's got magnets as well in the middle, guys. So you load that, put that flap down for the next segment, trying to grip the split blade without cutting myself. And we laid that exactly the same, if you can. Can't see properly because of my bifocals. Just on the other brackets, if you like, on the other side, and then we close the door and tighten the nut up. There we go. And there you go, guys. There's the blade alignment. It looks good. So let's wet the head, and I'm going to use a pre-shave. And I fancied a menthol pre-shave. So I'm going with the PAA Cube 2.0 for the prep on the old noggin. Yeah, I hope you've been okay, guys, and I hope you've been having some good head shaves and some nice smooth shaves. think that'll do. Wet hands, let's rub that in. Oh yeah, menthol's affecting my hands already. Cube's great for just shaving with as well, guys. You don't have to use it as a prep. I think I did a shave with just the PAA cube and it was nice. Face shave, I think that was. Right, that's that. I have to wipe my eye. A bit of water dripping down the menthol. Got a bit of menthol in my eye. That's good. Here we go, guys. This is a fantastic brush for head shaving. Yeah, that was a nasty cut last time. That was my own fault. I got cocky with the razor because it was going so well. And when I was cleaning my equipment up after the shave, after the blood bath, there was a layer of skin on the blade. I'd actually skin grafted my head and it took a long time to heal. And not only that, I was helping the father-in-law, I was doing his garden for him, and I went under the apple tree and I caught my head on a low branch. And that cut my head as well, so that put the head shaves back even further. Idiot. Yeah, Kim, very good friend of the channel. She's been with me right from the beginning. Shown a lot of support. It was nice talking to you for the time we did yesterday, Kim, as well. Right, here we go, guys. The leaf. Head shave number 6. Apologies if it goes on, but I am taking my time. Don't frown, Chris. Remember that one. This is a beautiful razor. Blade feels good. It's the second use. I've used this blade on my face once, so I thought I'll use it again on the head shave and snap it. I was interested to see whether there'd be a scar there, but it looks like I've healed pretty well. I can't really see anything. A lot of hairs there. This is beautiful. Yeah, and if I've seemed a bit untoward or anything in the past few videos, guys, I'm just exhausted. That's all it is. We've had to cram as much as we could in our week off, and we ain't had much luck because the weather is gone crap, guys. It's overcast, it's raining, but at night there's no air. It's just so hot and humid. Well, there you go. Yeah, just tired, cramming as much as we can to get the house sorted. We're still working on the house, but we did get quite a bit done in a short time. That's a reality tomorrow, unfortunately. I'm enjoying this. I always feel better after a head shave. So Craig, how you doing, mate? Craig Prentice, I think you were asking me when you start the head shaves again. When are you going to put yours on video again on YouTube? I love this razor. Going gentle. Don't get cocky. It is a pretty safe razor, this. Even though any razor can cut you, but there's not a great deal of blade exposure. It is a bit like a cartridge with the blade gap and everything, and the space between both of the blades. My hair grows that way, the back. I find it awkward being a bit reserved because it make round all the way. Right, not going to wash anything off. Oh God, that's cold. It's warm water, but when it hits the head with the menthol cube, that is cold. This is a beautiful lather. I'll put a link to the website, Wickham Soaps, in the description. And let me know what you're shaving with, guys, whether it's your head or your face, because I know a lot of you guys shave on Sundays. I used to. Sometimes I do off camera if I feel like a shave before work. So look at the sheen on that, guys. Not me noggin the soap. Right, across the grove part. Rinse it out. You can really feel the blade cutting the hairs. Not so much feedback, but just really feel it cutting. So what you guys been up to over the weekend? Anything nice? Any trips out anywhere? Any new gear to try? I know you have, Scott. Yeah, enjoy your leaf, buddy. It's a great razor. I'll leave a link into the leaf as well in the description. Anything I use, I'll leave a link in where I can. I can't always find the link or remember. Wow. That's excellent, guys. Bit of weight in it. I don't know what it weighs. I haven't weighed it or looked up, but it's a bit of weight to the razor. It's very comfortable, very well balanced, all steel construction. Plenty in the brush. It loads well, this brush, and it delivers well. I did use a bit too much for the soap, but hey ho, there you go. I've been dying to do this for such a long time. It's having the time as well. Here you go, guys, against the grove. Third pass. Yeah, you can really feel it cutting the hairs. beautiful. I don't know how some people shave the head 15, 20 minutes. I know I'm a novice, but come on. How long does it take you guys, you head shavers, how long does it take you to shave your head? Let me know in the comments, please. And keep your comments coming, guys. I absolutely love reading them. And I've been really good while I've been off because I've been answering every single one pretty quickly. Pretty quick response when I can. And I've been answering in between jobs in the house as well. If I have a tea break or anything, or have some lunch, I'll just answer some comments. Keep on top. And thank you so much for your new subscribers as well. I've had a few again. Thank you so much for your support and jumping on board. I really appreciate it. And don't do what I do. Forget to leave a thumbs up. Put the thumbs up. I always forget when I'm watching other YouTubers. I don't always comment as well, I must admit. It's a time thing when I'm trying to catch up on YouTube. Because I subscribe and support quite a few, as they do with me. It's just not always possible to leave a decent comment. I just don't want to. I mean, I could just put, oh, great shaving and that's it, but I don't like doing that. It's not going to be a positive comment or anything like that. I don't bother. I always like to leave something positive. It doesn't mean if I don't leave a comment I don't like the shave or anything like that. It's purely a time scale. That is beautiful, guys. Little spot there. What I do now, just wet the noggin. Nose is running with the menthol. Just grab what we got in the brush. Put a bit on the head. It's a beautiful scent. It's a happy scent. Right, just have a feel around now. Just for the last bits. Where it happened last time. It was right. No, it wasn't. It was right there, wasn't it? I've healed up pretty good. I hate the crown. It grows in all different directions, guys. And don't forget, guys, I'll put the video up here at the end of this video of any newcomers to the 800 subscriber giveaway. That's the video you need to watch to enter, and it's hashtag 800. And don't forget, it's the draw on Tuesday. There'll be 2 videos Tuesday. It'll be the Tuesday shave And it'll also be the 800 subscriber giveaway in the evening, I reckon, because I'll have to do it when I come back from work. Well, it might be morning wherever you are in the world, or afternoon. Right, this has gone on long enough, but I think I'm about there, guys. I think I am about... Yeah, there's nothing there. Oh, what a shave. Oh, a little bit there. I always forget the low part of the neck. Oh, what a shave. Cold water rinse. I'm going to go with alum, because I love the alum. It's a great astringent, it's great for closing up the pores. Absolutely nothing, guys. And it, to me, I love the post-shave feel of it. Absolutely nothing, guys. That is a beautiful shave. Thank God. Cold water rinse. Can you hear that? It's squeaky clean. Yeah, I've healed up quite well there. There you go, guys, that's the finish. I'm happy. Aftershave. Aftershave, I'm going with, where's the label? You see that? Lynx Africa. Nice citrus, bit of scent on this. Nice dollop. Thought I felt a bit on my head then. A little bit of hair that I missed, but I didn't. Oh, that's beautiful. I love Lynx. Good classic. And it's still going. Boom, I thought I'd go with Nivea Men Fresh Kick. Nice bit of lime in this. Excuse me. There you go, it's all you need, guys. Bit bigger than the pea size. Oh yeah, good, excellent combination that was. Excellent combination. Right, I'll clean my gear up now, and that'll be it. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I'm sorry it was a bit of a dull one, but I'm tired. Granddaughter's asleep. But yeah, beautiful shave. Absolutely enjoyed that. Can't wait till the next one now. So there'll be a head shave in the week as well. Don't know when it'll be. It'll be one day in the week. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Have a fantastic week next week. Don't forget the 800 subscriber giveaway on Tuesday and the shave. And I'll see you then, guys. Take care, stay safe and have fun. Bye, guys.